In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Labubu toy suppliers on 1688. If you're sourcing designer-style figures or blind boxes from China, 1688 is one of the best places to find manufacturers and wholesalers, but only if you filter smartly and vet sellers carefully. Begin by opening the 1688 app or website and running your search. On the results page, tap the filter button, look for the Chinese label Shai Xuan. Turn on two key toggles, Yuantou Gonghan, which means source factory, and Shili Shangjia, which indicates a verified seller. These two settings push real factories and established merchants to the top, which generally means better quality control and safer transactions. For sorting, start with Zhonghei or comprehensive to get a balanced mix, and then try Chengjiao or sales volume to see who actually moves product. Next, open a supplier store and check credibility. Aim for accounts that have been operating for at least 3 years, carry a diamond or crown rating, and show strong transaction history. Browse their page for clear factory and workshop photos, and look for OEM or Dingxi services, which signal they can produce custom or unbranded versions. Treat the following as red flags: a brand new store, no real factory photos, or a catalog packed with well-known branded characters. That often points to IP risks or unreliable sourcing. Before you buy anything, start a chat with the supplier. Ask directly whether the item is licensed or OEM, whether they can produce an unbranded version, the minimum order quantity, the exact material, usually PVC or resin, whether a sample is available, and the production lead time. Keep everything in writing and screenshot replies so you have a record of specifications and promises. Request real product proof as well. Ask for actual photos or videos of the toys, close-ups of paintwork and joints, packaging images, and even mold or workshop shots. If they can only provide stock images, it's best to walk away. Order a sample first, never a bulk order. Purchase 1 to 2 pieces, pay using Alipay escrow, ship to your China warehouse or forwarder, and inspect the items before you hit confirm receipt. Escrow holds your payment until you're satisfied, which protects you. Finally, compare pricing. Typical OEM ranges are roughly Y15, Y40 for small PVC figures, Y20, Y60 for blind boxes, and Y80 or more for resin. Prices far below these ranges usually mean low quality or a potential scam. Follow these steps and you'll source safer, verify faster, and build reliable relationships on 1688.